To allow our player to only move forward, it's going to be a really simple change in our input manager. If we go to Visual Studio, you'll see that we create this float in our update called H, and we provide it with the input of our horizontal axis. Now this is a pre-made axis that Unity has made that already defines our movement left to right based on key presses. To view these axes and other buttons such as the jump, we can go to the Unity editor, go to Edit, Project Settings, and we want Input. We can expand the axes available by clicking this arrow here, and you'll see all of these that are predefined for us. So if we were to look under Jump, you'll see that it's already created the spacebar as our jump button. If we were to change that, then we would have a different key press for our jumping. Under Horizontal, you'll notice it has a few more options. Positive means it returns 1. In other words, we move positive on the x-axis, so to the right, and negative returns -1, which moves left on the axis. So you can see that it's assigned left and right arrow keys, and as an alternative, the A and D key. To disable our movement to the left, we can just delete the available keys. Now if we close the editor and play the game, we will no longer be able to move to the left, and our player can only move forward.